Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic Do Ant Baits Expire? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ant baits do not expire, but their effectiveness decreases over time due to changes in moisture or temperature and exposure to air particles. You can detect its potential to kill ants by observing the consistency, color and odor changes. Proper storage conditions and airtight packaging can keep them effective for 3 to 5 years, but open baits cannot last long. Baits are a popular solution to treat the infestation of ants in gardens and indoor areas because they contain a tempting food source to attract and kill them due to the toxicity of chemicals. Ant baits contain a food source or an attractant and insecticidal chemicals that act slowly and kill the whole colonies of these ants. The food source is commonly carbohydrates because almost all species prefer sugary foods and cannot ignore them. Still, some contains fats and proteins according to the preference of the target ant species. Moreover, you can see a date on the packaging of the commercial products that can help you know about the estimated time duration until it remains highly effective. These do not lose their effectiveness completely after expiration, but their killing potential decreases over time due to different external factors and the product's shelf life. Humidity level and temperature are significant factors that can reduce this ant poisonous effectiveness because the bait's constituents begin to degrade in hot and humid conditions. Climatic factors affect the stability of active ingredients as the potential of poison decreases rapidly in unfavorable conditions. Its stability also depends on shelf life, as some lose potential quickly. In addition, the storage conditions also matter, and instructions for storage are usually provided by manufacturers on the label. Airtight packaging and proper sealing can make them last longer. Such packaging helps prevent exposure to moisture and stores it in a dry and cool place to keep it effective until its expiration date. Poor conditions can make it ineffective before expiration, because expiration dates are usually mentioned according to the ideal storage conditions. So look at the expiration date before getting any product, because you cannot benefit from using the ant poison with lower potential and reduced effectiveness. The ant bait's effectiveness varies according to the attractant and insecticide used for its preparation because every ingredient has a different shelf life and resistance to external conditions. The red ant baits can last for around 3 months after exposure to the external environment because its active ingredient thiamethoxam can act on their bodies efficiently within this duration. In addition, it also contains peanut butter, powdered sugar, peanut oil and a few other ingredients. As a result, the granule poisons can remain effective for almost 1 year if not opened. The gel-based baits can efficiently kill ants after 3 to 5 years if you do not open the packaging and store in ideal conditions according to label instructions. Moreover, the storage conditions determine the product's shelf life, as their killing potential can decrease quickly when you expose the stations to air elements. Taro ant baits have no expiration date because their active ingredient is borax, which is chemically stable, having an indefined shelf life. Therefore, it does not lose effectiveness if stored in a cool and dry place. Additionally, these do not remain appetizing for the ants after a month or years if you do not bother with ideal storage conditions and keep them at degrading temperatures. Ant baits do not remain attractive for many days, so you have to replace the old ones with the new stations to keep better control of the population of ants. In addition, the replacement frequency depends on the severity of the infestation, external conditions, and the active ingredient of the product. Manufacturers provide information about replacement intervals, so follow their guidelines to get the correct details on the replacement time. Bait condition can also make a good decision as it loses effectiveness with changes in color and consistency, so you should replace it ideally if it becomes hard and yellowish or brown. Moreover, rainwater can also decrease its potential because it gets mixed with the ingredients and dilutes its properties, so that you can replace it with the fresh one. High temperatures in outdoor environments can make it less appetizing because the constituents degrade at high temperatures. Its consumption and attraction potential also determine the replacement time because you have to put a new bait if the old one is non-attractive for ants or replace it with another type of bait. Furthermore, recurring infestations are indicators of replacement because you have to change it when its potential to kill insects decreases. Thanks for watching the video.